Do you know what is an idiom and what is a collocation? You need to know them because idioms and collocations are very important for any language. And when it comes to English, its importance is much more than what we have learnt at home or in our surroundings. English is a language that we learn. This is not the language that we acquire. Unlike Hindi, Odia or any other languages of India where we have a lot of exposure and we cannot differentiate between what is collocations, what is an academic word, what is a simply common word, what is the word used in the ordinary sense. Still we know which words we have to use in a particular context and in a particular situation. But when it comes to English, the differentiations, the difference is not easily noticeable because this is the language that we learn and our exposure to the language is very minimal unless we watch English news or English program on purpose. So it's quite essential that we should deliberately try to learn some collocations, the required number of collocations and idioms to make our English native-like or natural, to speak in a way that will give the clear sense, that can give pinpointed meaning. We can express our own intentions without any hitch. We can express ourselves in a more effective and engaging way. So, collocations and idioms are in fact very important in that respect. So, we need to understand what is a collocation and what is an idiom. What is the difference between the two? Because in both of the cases, you have more than one word. You have more than one word and both of them are a kind of phrase. So let's think about that. In fact, idiom, I will give you an example before going into details about this complex area of idioms and collocations. You can have the word like break the ice and break the rule, or build a castle in the air, or build your argument, build your strength and confidence. In both of the cases, you have the verb break, but does the verb signifies the same meaning in both of the cases? Does the verb break in break the ice and break the rule take the same meaning? So this is the problem. Look, in case of the word like break the ice, you have a different meaning. Break the ice doesn't mean to cut the ice or damage the ice or tear the ice. Rather, it means or it shows a complete different meaning. The meaning is that to break the ice means to make a start, to initiate proceedings, to put or set someone's mind at ease or at rest, relax somebody. So you have a complete different meaning. But in case of break the rule, it's the combined meaning. The meaning that this phrase gives is the total meaning, the combined meaning of each word. Break the rule. So it's a collocation. Break the ice when the combined meaning of each word is different from the meaning that a particular word combination gives. Then we call that phrase as an idiom. On the other hand, when the combined meaning of the word is almost equal to the total meaning or the meaning that a particular phrase or word combination gave, then we call it a collocation. So build the castle or build a castle in the air is an idiom, whereas build your argument, build your strength and confidence, they are collocations. Thank you very much.